Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super duper excited to be sharing this video with you guys. So yes, I did move across the country to Dallas, Texas from Wisconsin, northern Wisconsin. I was like right next to Minnesota. But yeah, here is my little empty apartment tour. I have been in this apartment for about a week now, maybe a little bit less. But I do have a couple things in my place, just like, so I could be here for a week, but it's really not that much going on. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk you guys through and share my little apartment with you guys. I'm super excited. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that little notification bell so you don't miss any more of my upcoming videos. Now let's get right into this video. So before we get into this video, I do just want to shout out the sponsor of today's video, which is the amazing company Dossier. If you guys didn't know, they are a perfume company who specializes in making dupes of luxury signature scents, but you can get it for the low low. And I do have a discount code for you guys. I will flash it up on the screen and that will be linked in the description box down below. So the perfume that I have for you guys is the Spicy Orchid. So this is kind of a dupe of Tom Ford, the Black Orchid Eau de Perfume. So it has some top notes of cinnamon, pink pepper, mandarin, and then some middle notes of orchid and plum, and then some base notes of vanilla and patchouli. This is a really nice scent, super strong. This is definitely something that I would recommend for wearing like at night and for going out. But yeah, it's a really nice, refreshing scent, smells really good, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. So yeah, this will be linked in the description box down below for you guys. So yeah, definitely make sure to check it out and go to their website because they have a bunch of amazing little scents and dupes of really just like fancy perfumes for the low low. Okay, so this is right where my front door is, and this takes you right into the living room area. So I'm just gonna come around so you guys can get a full look of what my living room looks like. So I do have a nice little space and whatnot. So I do have my tripod set up because, life of a influencer, I'm always filming content, literally always. But yeah, so I'm thinking about putting a couch either somewhere over here or over on this side, but I don't know for sure. I don't know, I'm kind of thinking maybe couch over here, rug, and then like the TV and stuff over here. That's kind of what I am thinking about doing. And then I do have a little closet that is here. It's kind of filled with stuff right now, so I'm actually going to show y'all that. But yeah, I do have a closet there, so there is nice little storage in my apartment. So now this takes us into the kitchen area. So I have this nice little countertop here with the, I don't know, is this granite countertops? And then my refrigerator, stainless steel. I really don't have that much food in here right now. Yeah, just a little bit to get me by. And then here is the other countertop and stuff. As you guys can see, I have my vitamins, my crystals out and whatnot. I bought some chips today, the veggie straws. They were only 99 cents at this this store called Sprouts or whatever. So I was like, I'd be silly not to buy it. And then I have my cabinets and whatnot. Yeah, I really am loving it. Nice little storage and stuff. And then I do have a couple glasses and a couple cups and whatnot. Here is my sink. I absolutely love my freaking sink, guys. It is such a nice sink. It does come with the little settings so you can switch it, and then you can like move it around and whatnot, and yeah, it is really powerful, not gonna lie. So we're gonna turn that one off. But yeah, it's super powerful, so I really like that. And then literally like my first or second day down here, I bought a new aloe vera plant because you guys know I love plants. Aloe vera plants are my fave. So yeah, I did buy an aloe vera plant. And y'all, look at this. I sprayed water all over the place. Like, oh my God, it's ridiculous. That little thing got some power to it. But yeah, here is my stove. And then I do have my sage right here because I did smudge my house as soon as I first moved in. And then here is my oven. I haven't used it yet, but it looks like brand new. But yeah, I have not used it at all. I haven't cooked yet or anything. And then a really nice microwave that does come with the little fan and the light and all that type of stuff. So yeah, I really like that. I think it's super handy dandy. And yeah, it has different settings and stuff, so that's really nice. And then I have all of these cabinets. So like I said, a bunch of storage. I don't really think I'm gonna actually store anything in these up here. They're just a little too tall for me. But I'm definitely probably gonna use this one here to store stuff. But yeah, it's just a nice little cabinet. And then right over here, I have pantry space. I don't really know what I'm gonna put in here. I'm not a really big like pantry type of person because I just don't really care much for eating like junk food and stuff. I may just put like soup and stuff in there, but even when it comes to soup, I'm kind of picky. Like I only really like tomato soup. But yeah, and then over here, some more cabinet space. So yeah, plenty of storage in here. Even though it's like not a super big apartment, definitely I have a bunch of storage space. And then I do have a ceiling fan, which I love, in the kitchen. And then the nice little cute lights up here, definitely a fan of it. Think it's super cute, haha, no pun intended. And then that brings us to my bedroom. And yeah, this is where we're kind of bumming it out right now, y'all, okay? Yeah, we got the air mattress going on, you know. So yeah, this is my air mattress. I got the hookah right next to my bed. And then I have a little TV just to keep me entertained. And then also this is another plant that I bought. Cause yeah, I love plants. So yeah, my bedroom, there's really nothing too crazy going on right now, but I'm thinking that I'm going to, you know, get an actual bed and an actual bed frame and put it in this exact same spot, and then get a bookshelf maybe right over here, and then maybe put a little desk right over here, and then have this kind of be where I do like my work for YouTube editing, stuff like that. Yeah, and then I don't know, that's what I'm kind of thinking. I really want to go very simplistic, minimalist type of vibe going on in my house, but yeah. And then right over here, this brings us to my closet. This is a really big closet. I have a lot of storage space. So here's just all of my stuff in here. I have to organize everything. Like, as you guys know, like I get a bunch of packages and stuff because I am an influencer. But yeah, here's my closet. Here's just some of the stuff that I have in it right now. Really nothing too crazy going on. It's just a little messy because I really haven't had time to organize. And then this takes us to my bathroom. Here I am, guys. So my bathroom isn't that big, but it gets the job done. I do have decent storage space right underneath here. And then I do have this up here as well. I just have a lot of my like hair stuff and whatnot in there right now. And then I did set up a lot of my toiletries already. I don't know, I just like it to be set up already. So yeah, here is the Rose little jewelry box that I got from the company Rose Forever. And then yeah, you know, just like my toiletries and stuff. I do love this mirror. It's really like a nice mirror. It's almost a full body mirror, so I'm loving that. And then I have my toilet, and then I have my shower. And yeah, my shower, I like it a lot. Really nice hot water. That's like the only thing I really care about when it comes to like the shower, hot water. But yeah, I think it's a really nice shower all around. Like the tiles look pretty new, so I can't really complain too much about that. And then I did buy a little floor mat just so that way I wouldn't be getting water all over the place. But yeah, it has these nice hardwood floors. I do need to sweep, but I don't have a broom, so I'm gonna be doing that somewhat soon, I guess you could say. But yeah, here is my apartment. I'm super happy. It looks really cute, super stylish, definitely perfect for me. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's been a little bit of a trip, okay? You know, there have been a few hiccups in the road, but all in all, you know, I can't complain. I really do like this tiling here behind my sink and stuff. But yeah, this is my apartment, guys. So this will conclude my empty apartment tour. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and thank you so much, guys, for just supporting my channel. because yeah, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my channel, truthfully. So thank you so much, guys, for all of your support. More content, more lit videos, all that type of stuff coming up. Definitely switching over to vlogs and, you know, just more showing what's going on in my daily life on my channel. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I love you. Bye.